All right, I'm gonna be making 2 eggs, sunny side up on both of them for me and my daughter. Guys, stainless steel does take a little bit more work, but the health benefits are much, much better. Now let's see if it really doesn't stick. You always wanna start off with putting your heats on a low, like a number 2, I guess, on this burner. And this one, the same thing, 2. And you wanna give it the time to heat up slowly. So we'll give it a couple minutes. Once it's a little hotter, I'll show you how to tell when it's ready to put your oil. Next, a little trick to get your eggs to room temperature fast is to put them under the hottest water your sink setting will go to, and just leave them for about 5 minutes or until your pan is nice and hot. All right, next step, I'm actually gonna be separating the whites and the yolks. This is a trick I learned on another channel. I'll leave a reference to it down. Okay, separate the yolks and the whites, just roughly. And we're gonna start by cooking the whites, and then we're gonna add in the yellows. All right, now to check if they are ready, we drop a couple drops of water. See how those dissolved right away? That means it's not hot enough. There, you see how they're bouncing around? Bouncing around means it's just right. All right, let's get started. I'm using avocado oil. With stainless steel, you wanna coat the pan completely. There we go. If you don't put enough, it will stick, 100%. Now, while it's heating up, we're gonna get a little bit of butter. And if you don't wanna use butter, just use more oil. Now, we move it around. Okay, now it's heating up, and you need that surface to stay hot. Otherwise, the egg will stick. Perfect. So now it's nice and warm. Help me out. Careful. There we go. And now we leave it for a couple minutes, and then we're gonna add our yolks. Guys, stainless steel does take a little bit more work, but the health benefits are much, much better. The problem with non-stick is that the second it has a scratch, even one, it starts to seep those metals and those chemicals into your food. If you do your own research, you'll find out why that's really so bad for you. And in we go. Now what I like to do is leave them so that they on a low, so that they crisp up completely on the bottom without overcooking those eggs. All right, now let's put on the yolks. Oop, bravo. I can get him back on. Oh, he popped. It's okay, right? Let's put now the second one. Yeah, this one popped also. Now let's see if it really doesn't stick. Now, what you do is after a few minutes, you want to start scraping the egg. There you go. And as soon as you unpop it, you can see, no sticking. If you feel too much resistance, leave it a bit longer. Oh, we're gonna crack some salt now. All right, now we're gonna flip this one. Okay. No sticking at all. 1, 2, 3. There we go. 10 seconds and into the plate. The trick, guys, really is let it heat up slowly and put enough oil. Now, if you have little bits that are burnt on, while it's hot, add a bit of water. Back on the heat, you scoop it around. That's gonna separate all those pieces, and it's gonna be easy to wipe off. Same thing here, see? Onto the plate. And guys, that's it. That's the tricks that I have. It is a little bit of a learning curve, especially when you're coming from non-stick, but once you start using them, honestly, there's no turning back. And you can put them in the dishwasher, but washing them takes 2 seconds in the sink, especially if you've wiped off all the gunk. So I like to wash them by hand. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this one. Give me a big thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments, and link to everything will be in the description. See you in the next one.